Hi guys, so today's video is extra super special because we're going into the house of someone very special, and her name is Gauri, and Pallavi is going to do up her entire house.
What are the ideas you have for this beautiful span of living room that we have?
Yeah, I have lots actually. So my husband and I, we are movie buffs. We watch a lot of Hindi movies and English movies, and we have collected a lot of posters in due course of time. It's really a lot. So and we, of course, we have a lot of friends who come over. So this is going to be like the pad where we are going to of course host we do a lot of parties
And the bar.
yeah. So we don't want the conventional dining table there. So that is what I want the highlight of the space to be.
So then we kind of make it in a way that it's an open kitchen and there's a
Yes.
flow and so we
Yes.
have to kind of reflect some of this color there and make it look a little cohesive.
Yes.
Welcome home.
Oh my god.
This is good.
This is your home.
It was not supposed to be a living
And that's your bar.
Really? I mean, this
This
is
is good.
amazing.
So the bar is where you guys are gonna be. Whenever you are missing from work, we know where to find you.
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
I think Gauri's is there.
So Anurag and Gauri's boss, you know where to find them.
Yes.
So what all have you done in the living room? I can see you made very little changes, but I think it just changed everything that needed to be changed. So tell me.
So, I mean, when we got the brief from Gauri, the main thing that they want in a typical living room, let me just start by that we generally have a TV unit and we'll have a seating and we'll have a dining table. So that's pretty much how a living room looks like in every house. But Gauri and Anurag did not want that. They wanted their house not to have everything very typical, and you've seen that the house is
very different.
Yeah, it's very different. It's very quirky. It's fun. It's young. So in the living room, they wanted seating, something which is very comfortable because they love entertaining friends. They love partying on Saturday. So they wanted some place where they can have friends come over and it can be a seating. One was the seating. The other part was the bar, which is here.
Right here.
Yes. So they
And
definitely.
this is pretty cool because it works as a dining table also.
Absolutely.
It's not just
Absolutely.
you can add a stool here and eat.
Yes.
And it's really cool actually. It's
Exactly.
very different. You're very close also.
Yeah, it's
It's
more
fun.
conversational. It's more fun. It's more
Yeah.
young. It's not like we are sitting
Yeah. It's
opposite
not,
each other.
exactly. Yeah. Not the typical way of, but it's fun. I mean, it works.
Yes.
Definitely does. So you've opened up this space and we've just created an L-shaped
Absolutely.
seating, and
I think,
I
it
think it's just
seems
the colors that has
yeah
changed
Yeah.
it. You changed the paint.
Yes.
Yes.
The entire house is being painted. One very important thing that we did in the room was to have a chair. So Gauri loves to read and she would work from home also.
So as
at
we're
some point.
speaking, Gauri is sitting in her chair.
Gauri is actually sitting in her chair. So
The rugs, of course, add a lot of
color.
space and character and color to the space.
Yes.
It's gorgeous.
And
And then this bar and kitchen is the highlight of the house. When I saw the kitchen, I was like, it's art literally, this entire backsplash, it looks so beautiful. I was like, oh my god, we don't need art in this room, it's so gorgeous. Just the kitchen has become like such a big, it's beautiful. So tell me, you've completely changed the kitchen, and people who watch my videos keep saying kitchen, kitchen, kitchen. So here it is, kitchen today. Tell me.
Alright, so the first thing, of course, the bar was going to be the focus of the entire house or entire living room. But to make the bar the focus, we needed to make a few changes in the kitchen. The first thing that I did was, when you see the before pictures, this was a closed kitchen. It actually had an entryway. This was a wall. This side was a wall. We had an entry into it. Again, the purpose of the house was to entertain and to interact, to make it a very interactive
Very
house
open
and a very young house.
free
So the first thing which I did is to paint down the walls. So this wall entirely over here, which is where the bar is, was broken down, and the wall on the other side was broken down till 2 feet high. So that was the first change that I made in the kitchen. The second big change that we did was to actually demolish the entire counter slab that we had. The counter slab that we always get from the builder mostly is the black granite.
Yeah, the standard
The standard black granite. Even though it does look okay in most situations, the slab was placed, it kind of made it look very congested. So I needed to open that up so that the kitchen becomes a more welcoming space. So that's what I changed. Of course, along with that, we've completely changed the black slab.
So these are tiles, is it?
These are tiles. So when I was selecting the granite for the kitchen, platform, because I did not want to go ahead with the black one, I wanted to choose something more soft in color, and that's why we chose this gray. And even though it's not traditionally used, it looks very, very beautiful. And
It does. So what did you pick first, the tiles or the granite?
The granite first.
So first the granite,
First the granite.
and then you
Yes.
found the perfect tiles
Exactly.
for the granite, and then the
laminate,
laminate
yes.
is also pretty much the same color. So it's the same color
Same color.
family, yes. And then color has been added through some accessories. So
The
pops of blue and green is what I
Yes.
see.
So the vibe of the kitchen was supposed to be very, like how I've chosen a beachy vibe
Yeah.
there. This is very Greek oriented. So if you really see anything which is Greek, you'll see a lot of white color, you'll see a lot of blue color, and you'll see very soft wood. So if you really look at the laminates, they are very soft. They look very soft. They feel as if it's a soft wood.
And then there are drawers and
Yes. So
there's
these are
storage everywhere, all through. So there's a lot of storage.
Yeah. So when we demolished this, big platform, the sink would actually come here,
Yeah,
and
I
this is
remember
where
the gas.
the gas was, and this is where our washing machine was. The area to my left was actually blank,
Correct.
and there was a
window
wall.
and
Correct. So what I did here was to, and the window actually, if you see the picture right now, you'll see that there is the window has nothing. It's not an accessible area.
Correct. It was going waste.
It was going waste. So I wanted that, I kind of pulled up the slab till there. The washing machine is inside here. So the washing machine gets hidden. The sink is right next. So the wet area has been separated. The kitchen gas is
You get a lot of space and
Exactly.
for beautiful and perfect. So I think in a kitchen, I would say the flow of how you work is important. So you've segregated wet area in one place, the gas stove in the other, microwave. So all that, and then the color scheme, I guess, has to be very coherent. So
It's a warm place.
Yeah.
At the moment you said this, I was reminded of something that I was taught in design school. Was that whenever we design a kitchen, there has to be a work triangle. The triangle is from the preparation to the cooking and then to the washing. So this is actually a work
so
triangle.
the preparation, the cooking,
Cooking
and
and bed. So this is the flow that we should be maintaining in every kitchen, and that makes our task easier, as well as it is a place that you would want to be more.
So thank you so much, Gauri and Pallavi. Gauri, thank you so much for letting us into your gorgeous home, and I'm so glad that you had seen a video and then come to Pallavi, and now it's such a
Yes.
big, massive
I think that was the
transformation.
best decision I made. I could say that I did a lot of research, like I said, but this is, I think, exactly how I wanted it to be. It really reflects our personality